The 2 Tyres Guide to the Bridgestone S23. Can you make the already very capable S22 any better? Well, Bridgestone claim you can, and they've just announced the new S23, launched in January 2024. Like the S22, the new tyre features a multi-compound construction, but the S23 features a revised tread pattern, designed to improve grip, especially at high angles of lean. There was never anything wrong with the S22, in fact it's one of the best sports tyres on the market, thanks to its excellent grip, performance in less than ideal conditions and neutral, predictable handling. The S23 doesn't look like it'll be compromised in any of these areas. Unlike the S22, it's not yet available in 110/70 profiles for smaller bikes, but these sizes are likely to come later on in the year. If you want a seriously capable sports bike tyre that helps you build confidence from the word go, these come highly recommended. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.